I'm starting a new business soon. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm determined to let nothing hold me back from doing this vlogmas. Well, yeah, so welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So today is December the 3rd, okay, and today I have a couple of things to do. I have 2 meetings today. Actually have 3. 1 online, 2 physical. So I'm meeting with my PA. We have a lot of things to discuss. That's 1. 2, I'm meeting my business partner. I haven't really talked about this on my channel, but I'm starting a new business soon. If you know me since, you know that is a continuation of the business I was doing before, but it's like rebranded and I have a business partner. So we're meeting today to like discuss, because launch date is coming really soon. So keep your ears on the ground, guys. Yeah. One more thing that I'm doing today. What is it again? Yes, then I'm going to Ibadan this evening. I have to go for my family friend's wedding tomorrow, and I have to take the train this evening. That is by 4. Yeah, so that's what I have to do. I'm so hot. I'm thinking of changing the sweater, but honestly, I don't think I want to start finding anything to wear else. Like every other thing I have is like very rumpled. Yes, so that's what I want to do now. Leave to meet my PA first of all, then I'll have my online meeting with her as well. Then I'm going to Pancake Hub in Jibo, that is still in Yaba here. So let me be on my way. It's my phone touchlight that is giving us some kind of light, because NEPA decided to act unusual and not give us light overnight till this morning. But we move. Let's go.
I've always given you my best behavior. You gave me everything I asked, but I've grown up in this one thing got stranger. I'm sick of sitting on your lap. Santa, forgive me, 'cause this year I'm done being polite. So keep yourself busy, 'cause I don't need you creeping tonight. Dear Saint Nick, goodbye, I'm over this. Your promises are hard to believe. Baby, I don't need your gifts, your freaky little lips. Yeah, who the hell are you to judge me? 'Cause it's nice to be naughty. It's nice to be naughty. It's nice to be naughty. I like sativa in my milk and cookies. I light it brighter than my tree. And maybe I'm more selfish than I should be, but sometimes sharing ain't as sweet. Santa, forgive me, I'm higher than a sleigh in the sky. So keep out my chimney. Got all your baggage killing my vibe. Dear Saint Nick, goodbye, I'm over this. Your promises are hard to believe. Baby, I don't need your gifts, your freaky little lips. Yeah, who the hell are you to judge me? 'Cause it's nice to be naughty. 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 So Santa, burn my letters. I'm on to something better. Too bad you never taught me. It's nicer to be naughty. So Santa, burn my letters.
Guys, so I'm done with my first meeting with my PA. So we had like discussions about different things. Okay, now I'm going now to another place. I wanted to stay here to have both my meeting and have my business partner come and meet me here, but the place is hot and there are flies and all, so I'm not really a fan. So I'm going to the next location, but it's still within Yaba. Yeah. Hi, Inka.
It's nice to be naughty. 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 Santa, forgive me, 'cause this year I'm done being polite. So keep yourself busy, 'cause I
Hey guys, so I'm back home now. I finished my meeting earlier than planned and I forgot some things at home, so I decided to come back home before going to the train station. I forgot my vlogging tripod. My angles today have been off, right, if you notice. So I came to pick up my vlogging tripod. I'm going to be vlogging also while I'm in Ibadan. I bought donuts for my sister, so I wanted to come home and drop it for her. I wanted to change to joggers. Like when I'm traveling, I love comfort, so I wanted to change from jeans to joggers just because I want to be very comfortable. Yes, I think I also wanted to pick up my wipes. Oops, sorry. I think I also wanted to pick up my wipes. Yeah, I think that's pretty much what I wanted to pick up. Yeah, the weather is so hot today. The gen is on now. I can't even turn on my AC to cool a bit. My only consolation is the fact that the train has very chill AC. Like that's my only consolation. Yeah, so let's be on our way to Ibadan.
White lace on the outside, satin pillows on the inside, spinning gears of gold making noise, a ballerina with such poise. Too bad her porcelain heart's been broken, 'cause it's just so fragile. Can you fix my music box? My heart is shy just like my thoughts. I just want the song to play, the one that takes my breath away. Can you fix my music box? The ribbon's frayed, you've gone astray. Can you fix my music box? The dawn won't move and the song won't start. Left in pieces where you dropped me. I don't know how you already forgot me. You ran away with no regard. We were so close, but now we're far. Too bad I'm broken from words unspoken. I just want to.
No problem now. Let me take 3,000.
That is why I said just give it. So you will know that.
I can't pay 3,000.
You can't pay what?
I can't pay 3,000.
Like seriously, that's the
Because that's the money that I have on me.
I will take
Coming
it
from Lagos.
from
I don't want to be transferred. Why will you people now collect the transfer? Collect my
Are
card.
you worried about
It's 3,000 or I'll go.
The dawn won't move and the song won't stop.
Guys, see who called me. Say hi to my vlog. Show your face.
You cannot do this vlog like this. Keep on going.
I don't know how it's supposed to look. Hi.
How many FLO do?
What's FLO?
Can you fix my music box? My heart is shy just like
Ozzo's clothing line.
I just want the song
Yes,
to
clothing
play,
line.
the one that takes my breath away.
Okay, anyhow.
Can you
Bye.
fix my
Hey guys, so I'm home now. I'm Ibadan. Finally home! Yay! What's what I wanted to say, to be very honest. Anyhow, so today has been such a long day. I had some traffic, so it took me like over an hour to get home, and that's like so weird because it's Ibadan. Yeah, so I have a late night consultation with a client in a few. I just need to, in a few minutes, I just need to open up my laptop on my table and start the call. My mom's gonna be back soon, so she's going to come and disturb me. I hope I make it through the call before she comes in to disturb me. But like, yeah, guys, I'm so tired. God, I really want to have a good sleep tonight. I pray I'm able to get that. I just posted my vlog on, let me show you guys. I just posted my vlog, this particular vlog. I'm not sure you guys see it. Yeah, I'm working as a model, Beauty West Africa conference. It's not exactly doing well, and I have like mixed emotions at the moment. It's 8 out of 10, like 8. That's the score. That's the rank rather. 8 out of 10, like my past 10 videos. And it's just, I mean, I'm about to enter the most stressful phase by editing vlogs back to back. Literally trying to vlog almost every day and editing vlogs like almost every day. You get? So I'm just like, if this particular video had done well, it would have been like, oh, motivation to push to do Vlogmas and all. But like now it has kind of like taken my ginger down. I'm really just going to try my best to continue. I'm sure, of course, if you're seeing this video, it means that I continued. I'm not going to try my best to push, but I really wanted this month, every video to be great, because I put in so much work throughout the year, and I want to end this year on YouTube very, very well. I want to end with 10,000 subscribers. So stop what you're doing right now and like this video, because YouTube is going to recommend it to other people, and when they do that, there's a higher potential for people to watch and then click subscribe. Yeah, great. So please do that. But like, I really want to end here with 10,000 subscribers. This is me saying it counts there, and I'm putting in the work. It's not like I'm wishing and I'm not posting videos. I'm posting videos every week. At least every week I show up here. If not 2 times, I show up once, and I'm doing my best. So I just literally want my best to be good enough, and I don't think that's asking for too much. Okay. Anyhow, so I'm gonna get on my call, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next vlog. Bye.